Hello ladies and gentlemen, I Shreya Katyal welcome you all to today's talk. Today I am standing at Asian Business School and I am in conversation with His Excellency, the Ambassador of Gabon, Komba Desire. So let's talk to him and get lots of inspiration from his side, and let's know the country, the beautiful country of Gabon.
It is a small country which is located on the west coast of Central Africa. It is a country which is, geographically speaking, located on a very strategic location in Africa. We are on the west coast with only 2.5 million inhabitants. And what can I say? It's a very rich country with mineral resources. We have oil, manganese. We are the world's second largest producer of manganese. We have uranium, huge deposit of iron ore, gold, diamond, etc. Now, Gabon is, economically speaking, the first economy on the sub-region of Central Africa. And what we are now doing is that we have carried out a number of reforms in our country in order to follow India in becoming one day, maybe by 2025, an emerging economy. So this is what I can tell you about the country. It's a very open country, liberal economy. Today we are happy to say that there are around 2,600 Indians living in Gabon now. Among the several partners that we have around 68 Indian companies currently operating in my country.
That's a significant number indeed. What kind of films do you watch?
Well, we are very lucky and blessed to watch all types of films, and you'll be amazed because over the past 10 years we have been watching several Indian movies, and I can even tell you that as we have satellite televisions channels, today we have Zee TV. I think it is Zee.
Yeah, Zee TV,
that's right, which is now being watched by Indians and Gabonese people in Gabon.
Okay, so we share some similarities and that's really happening. Do you have any plans to collaborate with the Indian film industry, or are you looking up to some things like that?
Of course. I'm happy to tell you that we have I think that was back 2 years ago, we signed a convention with the ICMEI with a view to securing the training of Gabonese nationals who are in the film industry, and secondly, trying to build up a real partnership in the film industry so that we can learn from the experience of ICMEI and try to develop the film industry, which I believe is one of the very important, it is part of the important programs that we have rooted in our developing program.
Indeed, films are a great way for cultural exchange, and under ICMEI, International Chamber of Media and Entertainment Industry, definitely that both of these countries are going to benefit tremendously. So now coming on to the topic of the day, that is the orientation for the Asian Business School students. What are those qualities, that entrepreneurship qualities that you would like to share with the audiences and inspire them?
Today I was happily surprised to see that there exists in India such a forward-thinking school, and very famous. In fact, because before coming here, I googled on my mobile, and I saw that this institution is one of the best in India. And I think that the students who are now going for their postgraduate diploma should be aware of that, and they should be aware of the fact that they are very much privileged, because at the moment I'm talking to you, there are other students throughout the world, especially in the developing countries, which would like to be in such a famous and privileged institution. So I think that they should seize the opportunity, avail themselves of this opportunity, and try to be focused on what they are doing in order to be able to produce or to go after their goals and be useful for the entire world, not only India, because I told you that in my country, for example, we have today 68 Indian companies. And coupled with that, we have around 2,600 Indian citizens living there. I'm expecting to have some of them in my country one day. Why not? And we'll be very happy to that. And in addition to that, I think that I have come here to see, and I will be able to share that with my compatriots in my country in order to see if there is a scope for a partnership also with the Asian School of Business, either in sending our students here or trying to twin with some Gabonese institutions for the betterment of all the two countries on a win-win situation.
Surely, that's an amazing idea because separation is just an illusion and oneness is the ultimate reality. So I wish you all the very best for all your endeavors and thanks for inspiring us and coming here and talking to us. Thank you.
So much.
Thank you. So, guys, did you realize that opportunity strikes at every door, each and every door? It's important for you to tap it immediately if you want to scale greater heights in your life. That's all for today in today's talk. Aisha Katyal sign off for the day, but I'll be back with another very amazing and eminent guest for you. Till then, you keep watching MS TV, Har Pal Aapke Saath.